Okay. So now, hopefully the YouTube one's not getting like completely destroyed. YouTube should still be going. Can somebody on YouTube confirm that I'm still here? I need to delete this one. I understand deleting, blah, blah, blah. "4K 8K bitrate." Okay, so that's back on. Let me just make sure this is on. Gotta get this. Wait, what is this? Oh, no, I just set that on. I didn't show a stream key or anything, did I? I don't think I did. And that's a problem with doing this on YouTube as well. Okay, so now that that's set to that, let me go back and change this again to 20,000. Hit apply. Okay. Now bitrate should be up. What's bitrate showing now? Okay. All right, we'll just call that good. I'm sorry to the YouTube people that have to like go find the live stream again. I was hoping it would stay connected, but oh well. We're stuck at 160p. It's accurate. All right, we'll see how long this lasts. If it does it again, I don't know. I completely goofed and didn't realize I still had my canvas set to this for a recording. So, oh well. All right, now let's actually edit. I needed a lower third. All right, can you not do hover-scope preview? Is this joy of sitting in a chair with your legs spread? That's a very provocative description, but yes, you're correct. Let's see, have I used the lower third before? Any of these other ones? I don't know which one would have it though. The problem, I need to like look on my other notes thing. How else was I supposed to take that, Wolby? You basically opened the door immediately. Alright, I can't even search through. That's annoying. That's really annoying. Okay. CTA, I don't have lower thirds in that one. Can I? No. Okay. Oh, no. Bring that out. How about in this one? Man spreading. It will be. There's no good way to say this. there's nothing that will make it sound good. Oh my.
Hey! Where?
Oh, did I see name? Man, YouTube chat delay is crazy. Let's wait, the filmmaker. How's it going? How's everything? How is life? I'm your first viewer here on YouTube. Well, kind of. On this stream, yes. I accidentally nuked my other one. But hello and welcome. If you have any questions about DaVinci Resolve or anything that we're doing, please let me know. I'm looking for a lower third. Oh, you know what? It's the... I know it. I'm so stupid. It's the basic one. Not the basic one, the template one. Whatever it's called. Words. Oh, wait. Lower third template. Oh, is this the one that I did before? Yeah, that's not what I want. Hey! How's it going? How's everything? How was life? What's up, Team and Sebastian? How's it going? How's everything? How was life? Welcome. Welcome. How are things, everybody? Okay, so this is the lower third one. Yes, this is what I'm looking for.
On chatgpt.com.
Download at gimp.org. Oh, this isn't even a template that has the custom things. It's literally just a basic template. Amazing. I did not build this. I'll just do it in all caps. And I'm pretty sure this is not the font that was supposed to be used. What font have we been using? I don't even know. Let me find out. Because this one has the correct one. So if I go over to this, and I throw this over to there, and then I go into the this, and then look at the this, the text, where'd it go? This one, yes. That was just open sans. Okay. Literally the default. Incredible. How are you guys? Hopefully your day is going well. Okay. This template could use a little bit of reworking. Working on a montage? Nice, nice. What kind of montage? Oh, this is justified, wait a minute. How? Okay, it's just fading in, so I can anchor it this way and then just center it. Just because I would rather it be centered for something this small. Oh, Valorant montage. Nice. Very nice.
On chatgpt.com. You can click the card in the top right or use the link in the description. Hey! Where?
Oh, there's another horse. Andrew. Boy. Boy. Look who's decided to show his little tiny. Actually, okay. How's it going, Andrew? How's it going, Andrew? How's everything? How was life? Never would have went before though, so I'm learning a lot and going really slow. It's it's a process. I mean, that's for sure.
On chatgpt.com. You can click the link in the description.
All right, and then I wish he set up an animation out for this, but there's no. and everything is individually. Oh man. There it is. There it is. And then he insta leaves right after that. Could you imagine? Just to clarify, Andrew and I used to work together a long time ago. Not a long time ago, but it's been a minute. Oh, this is so interesting. Can I wish these had anim curves. If these had anim curves on them, this would make this so much easier. I don't need to adjust the opacity. Oh boy. Oh, this is something. You guys want to see the keyframes for this? This is what I'm looking at. Alright, so what's the best way to modify this? Like, do I rebuild this? Hey! I feel like I might. Where? Solid Guts, how's it going? How's everything out with life? You're doing it on YouTube? I thought you... I want to switch to DaVinci, but nodes are scary. Nodes are not scary. Nodes are the proper way to composite. Alright. I might just rebuild this. Oh, there's so many of them though. Wait. Hold on. The white one, the light blue, dark blue, center blue, darker blue. Oh, and then there's like a couple way back here. Oh my goodness. Okay. I'm not going to rebuild it right now because I don't want to do that work. So what I will do is just, let's see, do math. So I need to move this keyframe over to here. And then... Okay, so this one I can probably turn that part off. And then... Thanks for the egg. People have never been here before, just like, what was that? It was glorious is what it was. Oh, I gotta do these individually. You gotta be kidding me. Alright, let's do them one at a time. See, now the thing is like, if I built this from scratch, it probably would go faster than me just trying to... Wait a minute. Can I... Wait, no. Paste and reverse. That did not work. Yeah, that's not gonna work. Okay. Yeah, it's Fusion. But I'm taking somebody else's template that was just manually keyframed instead of using anim curves. So like it's slightly more tedious. So what I might end up doing is just building my own anim curve for it. Or I could just fade it off and be really lazy. Because these are just repeating keyframes back and forth. Oh, and I just froze it. Of course I did. I froze OBS, not Resolve. Hey, Chris, how's it going? How's everything out with life? OBS completely destroyed itself, so... Nodes are not scary, just a different flow. Aloha. Hello, doing Hawaii. How's it going? How's everything? How is life? Is it cool if I steal this idea? Great. Yeah, I mean, funny enough, this is not mine. I actually would have set this up a little bit differently, but I guess we can go over like, okay, now it should reset in a second. There we go. Okay, it's back. Okay. So basically how I would do this a little bit differently, if I were to set it up here, I'm just going to duplicate this so I don't mess it up. So if okay, I'm going to have to go into each one of them and remember exactly how each of them is set up. Okay, so it kind of goes left to right, so, and then with those yellow bars. Okay, so I'll just work on these. So let me just go ahead and I'm just going to remove all the paths. So I'm just basically just nuking the keyframes. Time to buy a new PC. I've needed a new one for a bit. Mine's like, I have a 3080 Ti, but the problem is it's like, something is wrong. Because I had a blue screen like yesterday. It was not fun. Okay, so now, the way that I'm gonna have this work, I'm gonna probably shift all of these off for now. Just so this is easier to see.
Hey! Where?
Hey, Anna Pete, how's it going? Everything out was life. Was watching a video about the two color film frame for Twitch. Is there a way to set one color to transparent so only ones that are good? Oh, you're talking about the rotating gradient filter thing. Is that what you're referring to? So basically you're wanting it to... Ooh, okay. Let me think about this for a second. So, because essentially what you're looking at is like a way to, so I have the blue border around it, right? So if I go to filters here, oh, maybe? Let me try this. Yeah, something like that. Yeah. Yeah, this would work. Here, just so you can see, hold on. I'm gonna increase the border thickness quite a bit so you can see it. But yeah, so see like how it's transparent underneath? Like if I turn this off, this is what you're seeing underneath. So yeah, you can do a transparent. And the way you do that, I can't share the screen that I'm showing this on, but essentially if you go into your filters and, or you go into that shader and just change one of the border color, when you go to select color, you'll see that there's an alpha channel option. Set that one to 0. And that'll do it. So yeah, I just set it back to black now. I don't remember what my border thickness was. I think it was like 20 or something like that. Yeah, that's how you would do it. Actually, it might have been 10. Oh well, I don't care. Okay, anyways, back to anim curves and the reason that we all love Fusion. Yeah, no problem. Okay, so basically what I want to do... Oh wait, I need to set an XY path because Y I'm not going to set. So I need to set an XY path so I can separate X and Y. Alright, so now what I need to do here is modify with anim curves. And then now what this is really useful for is I can set custom parameters here. Let's just say takes well, it's not going to be 30 frames. It's going to be half of what it is. So this is going to be full animation in. And this will be animation out. And so I need this to start off screen here. And this needs to, whoops. I guess it would help if I actually set the keyframes. That would be funny if I did that. Okay, and then set this to 0. Okay, so basically when I needed to come in, I just needed to go up to here. Yeah, that's roughly it. So basically what this will do, if I set this to mirror, is now it's automatically, like, anytime it goes to the end of the clip, it'll automatically do the reverse of the animation here. And I can, actually, I don't know if it'll, maybe it will ease. It will ease. There you go. Okay, so I don't want it to ease in. I want it to ease out. Yeah, keep is fine. Because I want it to act like it's already going full speed when it comes in, so then when it goes back out, it slowly comes out and then just does that. And I'm actually going to start this one frame in just because. Oops. Set that to 0. And then go up to here and then set the keyframe here and move back. And then that way it goes all the way off. Yeah, that'll work. Okay, so now I need to make sure I get the coordinates right on each of them. So when it actually gets to this point, yeah, because this one goes from, oh, this takes like the full second. So this one's actually kind of long. So yeah, because that goes 0 to 30. This is, okay, so that's 2 frames, 2 frames, 2 frames, 2 frames. And then 2 frames. Yep. So they all just are 2 frame intervals. Okay, so I can actually set this to probably 61 because I am having it mirror. So I'll do this. Boop, boop. Yeah. Okay. Now I'll do the same thing with this one. Modify with XY path. Remove. And then modify with anim curves. And then basically this one, we want to start on frame 3. Custom. Okay, and then set a keyframe here for 0. Set a keyframe to 63. Because we're having it with mirror. And then basically where we want it to end, actually we want it to start is by using offset. Have it start there. And then we need it to end up somewhere like here-ish, I want to say. And it goes like slightly off. I'm not making this like absolutely perfect, but okay, so it's like here-ish. Cool. And then that one at the end will also fade off. Okay, and then we're doing, nope, not that, easing. Cubic. So that one, whoops, don't do that. That one also fades in and slows down at the very end. I said cubic. Yeah, like that. Next one, start at frame 5. Once again, we modify with XY path to separate X and Y. We remove the keyframe paths. Modify with anim curves. Once again, we set it to custom, and then this one starts at 0 on frame 5. Then we go to frame 65. Set that to 1. Set to ease, to cubic here. Set it to mirror. And then that way, we have it start off screen. And then we want it to end up. What was it, like right here or something? As a little bit farther back. I like round numbers. That's probably good, right? Yeah, that's about right. Cool. Okay, and then we have the darker blue that actually like covers that little part. Or it says, so it's a center blue. And then this one will start on frame 7. We're going to modify with XY path. We're going to remove the XY path, remove the XY path. We're going to modify with the anim curves. We're going to change this source hue. All right, 67, 67, 67. There it is. Boom. Easing. Set this cubic mirror. Okay. Want it to start off screen. And then we want it to end. Okay, so this one's interesting because this one... Oh, this one gets overlaid with the other ones. That's how that works. Okay. Yeah, because these... So it technically stretches off, but these other ones will... Oh, that's a weird way to do it. Why... Why would you do it that way? These are the same blues, right? Why would I not just make this the size that it needs to be? Why wouldn't I? Tell me, chat, why wouldn't I? Oh, and then width doesn't matter. It's the height that matters. Okay. Bring offset to here. I'd probably have to like redo the offset, but yeah, because it'll probably start like closer to here. So the scale is really what I need to be maneuvering. But yeah, once I do that, then this is entirely irrelevant. Because then, go over here to this one. Yeah, and so now I just have to reshape. I just have to reshape them all. So these I don't even need. So I'll just disconnect those. Oh, man, OBS is having a stroke right now. I wish it would tell me when it freezes. Part of me is debating on only using OBS to send overlays. But I would have to reconfigure the stream in order to do that. So I'm just going to hope it doesn't keep crashing on me. Yeah, the problem is there's no way for it to like let me know that it's doing that. Ugh. All right. Should be back up. I don't know at what point it stopped working. But oh well. All right. So this one I got to reconfigure as well. So I just got to bring this over and then scale something like that. Yeah, I mean, that's actually kind of close. I might just increase the height just a touch. Okay, so, and then this one actually, like... Oh, and the good news with this is, like, I don't even have to worry about animating the positions after this. I can just keep looping the height. That's super easy. Okay. So this one I don't need to move. That one's fine. So dark blue, I'll just increase this height a little bit. And then bring it back a touch. Once again, I might need to... Actually... That's basically where it needs to be. Okay, and then this center blue. I'll watch what happens after I finish this part. So I do need to increase the height just a touch. So we've got the animations, right? Now, normally you would think, oh, in order to do something like these, you would need to just like keep moving them. No, it's actually much simpler than that. All I have to do is go into the heights in each of them. So if I just... The freeze notification would be nice a few days ago. I was streaming for 30 minutes. Ouch. That's rough. All I have to do is just keyframe height, go to 30, and like expand it a little bit. And then I can go over to my keyframe one, but that didn't fade at all. And then just make sure only the tool I'm doing is selected, and then uncheck this. So all I have to do with this, just make sure there's ease on it, and then use the, not reverse, set ping pong. And now it goes in and out forever. Super easy. I can just do that for each one. So do this, go to 30. I'll expand this one. So it kind of goes the opposite way. And then set ping pong. You know what's funny is I didn't go the opposite way. I went the same direction. So go backwards. There we go. And do the same thing with this one. So height here, go to 30. And this one I do need to increase. All right, ease it, set ping pong. All right, the animation should be all set. And then it automatically pops off at the end of the clip. Nice. Oh, it froze again. Oh my word. Come on. At least I caught it this time. As soon as I'm done with the animation, it shouldn't happen again. It's only when I do something weird in Fusion that it does this. See, the weird thing is like the music, when the music cuts out, that's when you know it froze. All right. So now it's working. Is it freezing anytime I just run it through? Oh, come on. Wow. That took 2 seconds. Okay, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to finish this animation real quick. And then... Oh my word. And did my camera just freeze? What up with that? Oh, wait, no, it didn't. Okay. Encoding overloaded. Why is that happening now? What is happening? The stream is exploding, guys. Hold on. Is Twitch freaking out now? Because I'm streaming what I shouldn't be? Hold on, let me see if it's still... Oh yeah, Twitch kicked it down. Okay. All right, I'm gonna end it. If you're on YouTube and watching this, I'm sorry, it's gonna get kicked out.